8 years ago, I bought this 12 by 10 by 10 greenhouse, and today I want to show you how it's held up over time, through rain, wind, and everything in between. I haven't made any upgrades or repairs, so what you're seeing is the original condition of the panels. When I first set it up, I weatherproofed them, and for the most part that's worked out really well. The side panels, still crystal clear, no cracks, no moisture buildup, no mildew. Now the roof panels, that's where the most damage has happened. I actually removed this one to get a closer look. After 8 years of rainy seasons and wind gusts reaching up to 70 miles per hour, they've definitely taken a hit. You can see these small holes here, probably because of a mix of hail, embers from my neighbor's bonfires, or just wear and tear over time. Because of that, dirt and moisture have gotten inside the panels. Interestingly, the weatherproofing tape is still sticking perfectly on one side, but on the other, it's completely peeled away, likely because of those small holes allowing moisture in. Despite the roof needing some attention, the structure itself is still incredibly sturdy. I mounted it to my back deck and even added a gazebo frame inside for extra support, which has really helped during storms. Overall, after 8 years, I'd say this greenhouse was absolutely worth it. If I ever need another one, I wouldn't hesitate to buy the same model again.